Well, hello there, guys. It's Reed in the box back there. And you know what, guys? It looks like it's that time yet again. It's time for another exciting, thought-provoking, insane, super official food product review. From YouTube's only 365-day-a-year food product reviewer. That is insane on its own, people. 365 days a year. That's how many days a year we do this show. Unheard of. Unheard of. Today we have the Jurassic Chomp Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Now, Blizzards are a little bit too overpriced anymore, people. This right here, this is the one I got when I had the $5 meal, the burger or whatever. It's like whatever, but this, you add an extra $1 and you get a Jurassic, you get a Blizzard or a hot fudge sundae. So I got this for extra $1. But I think it's like, if I bought this by itself, it would have been almost $3 or over $3. So that's a little bit too expensive, and this is a small Blizzard, people. Might even be a mini Blizzard. But this is a Jurassic Chomp Blizzard. Very interested in it, people. It's got that peanut butter in it. I have high hopes for this. Blizzards are overpriced, but they are very good. I will say that. My all-time favorite Blizzard would be the Oreo Blizzard, I would say. But anyway, guys, we're going to do a super official review here. Cannot wait to dip my tongue in this right here. Just like that night I walked in on my ex-wife, and Malcolm had his tongue dipped inside of her. That make no sense. He had it, yeah, he had his 12-inch BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation, dipped inside of her. There we go. Yeah. And probably had his tongue too in there. Anyway, guys, we're going to give this a review. So as always, remember, if you have anything you would like read in the box in the back to review, you got to leave a comment below. If we like that comment, pick out that comment and review your request next. Thumbnail. Alrighty, guys, we have to make it super official first. So it looks like it's time for another super official. Look at that. Oh, 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 oh yeah. Oh. Review. Let's get right to it, people. We got this pieces of chocolate in it here. Now, wow. Big pieces of chocolate in there, people, with the peanut butter mixed with the ice cream. Is that Rolos in there? Not Rolos, no. Anyway, the chocolate in here is like it's like pieces of chocolate right there, and it's got peanut butter on the inside. That's nice. Now, the new movie, of course, is coming out this June. I'm so pumped for it, people. I cannot wait for the new Jurassic Park movie. Man, I cannot wait. I'm just joking. I'll be honest with you guys. I didn't watch the first one. Nope. I was never a big fan of the originals. I thought they were, okay movies or whatever. I never watched the remake that, was it 2 or 3 years ago it came out? I never watched it. It seems like it seems like there were other movies that came out and competed against it. It was some kind of thriller or whatever movie, whatever it was. And I watched that. I had no desire to watch the new Jurassic Park. And I don't really have any desire to watch the new one coming out. Whenever it comes out, I don't have no desire. Just not a big fan of those movies. I don't know why people I like, you know, science fiction and stuff like that, but when it comes to dinosaurs, I'm not excited about it. It's like I'm not excited about it. But, you know, this is a very good blizzard, though. It is. It's got peanut butter mixed with the ice cream in there, the chocolate, all that. It's wonderful. It really is good. I was just trying to be, when I said I'm excited and all that for it, I was trying to be fake, like a lot of the other reviewers that do review stuff, and they're like so excited about this thing. Like they'll be excited about this new item, like a new camera or a new cell phone or a new movie, and they've never seen it, or a new product. They're just excited about it because they're getting paid. You know, that's kind of what I was making fun of it when I said that. I'm not looking forward to the new Jurassic Park movie. But I did this review here just because I was like, you know, it might get some views because it's tied into the movie. So the winner, the real deal with this blizzard is these chocolate things here with the peanut butter inside of them. You get an awesome flavor with that. The peanut butter inside these are very good. It's a solid blizzard. Is it the best blizzard? No, it's not the best blizzard, but really, I don't think I've ever had a bad blizzard, because how can you go wrong with sugar when you can't? Ice cream, sugar, chocolate, peanut butter. That's why blizzards are so good, people, because they're full of sugar. You put chocolate in a blizzard, you put ice cream in a blizzard, you put peanut butter in a blizzard. How can it be wrong? You can just mix those items together yourself and you'll be sitting there and saying like, this is great. I mean, you can't really go wrong with it. So overall, people, the Jurassic Chomp blizzard, I'm gonna give it 4 stars. It's not on the level of, say, a Oreo blizzard or a Reese's blizzard. Maybe that's what's in there, Reese's. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Not sure, but that's going to be the official review, people. It's a must-buy item. No doubt about it. Enjoy the new Jurassic Park movie if that's what you like. Yeah, I might watch it. I don't know. Just don't have the urge to watch it. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. So as always, thanks for watching. That's a lot of sugar, man. Whew. That's what makes Americans so much. That's what makes America so much better, is all that sugar we've got. Oh my God. Sugar rush, big time. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Me in the box. And Alexa might be back next episode. I don't know. We're going to see you guys, as always, tomorrow. Another exciting, thought-provoking food product review. Have a great day, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys here tomorrow, because we're here 365 days a year. Insane. It's like crazy. Crazy. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Later. I like how they give you a fork with it. It's very nice of them to do that. And I'm telling you, when you get it right now, people, when it's nice and warm like this, you know, just warm, not over hot, not, you know, heated up too much. It's just warm. There's nothing quite like it, people. A warm biscuit in the morning. It truly is heaven on earth. Gets no better. It gets no better than this. The icing is very nice. That icing, I'm telling you what, wow. Now, of course, people, as with most breakfast items, you know, they're